In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Discord account. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the app, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, go to the top right and tap on Settings. Now tap on Account. Here you'll see an option called Verify. Tap on it. You'll now see a prompt to verify your email address. Next, open your email app, such as Gmail, and look for the verification email from Discord. Open the email and tap on the Verify Email button. Once you tap it, you'll be redirected to a page confirming that your email has been verified. Now go back to the Discord app and open your account settings again. You should now see that your account is successfully verified. And that's it. That's how you can easily verify your Discord account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.